Now in number 5, we're being asked to differentiate cos x power sine x with respect to x. Let's look at how we solve that. So we're going to let y be equal to that, and then we're going to introduce ln to both sides. So we'll have ln y being equal to ln cos x sine power sine x. So now we're going to bring the powers to the left hand side of the ln, and that's what we have. So again, we're going to apply the product rule right here for both, and then we're going to have 1 over y dy dx being equal to sine x into negative tan x plus cos x into ln cos x, and that's what we have. So now we can actually see that this a negative tan x times sine x will actually give us a negative. So when we rearrange them, this is actually what we can actually express our values as. Then we can cross multiply with the y value, and this is what we have. But y is cos x to the power sine x, so therefore the derivative can be represented this way, and that is our answer.